Imagine never worrying about lost keys or getting locked out again. What if your front door unlocked with just a simple code? Today, I'm showing you the nice DIGI keyless entry smart door lock, a modern, secure, and super convenient upgrade for your home. This smart lock is packed with features that make life easier and safer. Keyless entry, no more carrying keys everywhere. Strong security system to protect your home. Durable and weather-resistant design. Stylish handle that upgrades your door instantly. Easy installation, no professional needed. It's designed for both convenience and peace of mind. Using it is incredibly simple. Just enter your custom passcode on the keypad, and the door unlocks instantly. You can set multiple codes for family members or guests, and even change them anytime for extra security. Some models even include auto lock, so your door locks itself after a few seconds. No more "did I lock the door" moments. This smart lock is perfect for homeowners who want better security. Airbnb hosts managing guest access. Families with kids who forget keys. Offices and small businesses. Anyone upgrading to a smart home lifestyle. It's all about convenience and control. What I really love about this nice DIGI lock is how it combines security, simplicity, and style. You don't need to